In this video, we're going to talk about transformations of polynomial functions. Before we do that, let's review. Let's say you have f of x equals x squared, and you have g of x equals quantity x minus 2 squared. So compared to x squared, how does this parabola look like? Y equals x squared is a parabola that looks something like this. What about quantity x minus 2 squared? Well, it's going to look like x squared, but it's just that it's going to have a horizontal shift to the right. So it will look something like this. Do you remember that? What if it was x plus 2? Then this parabola will move to the left twice. Now, what if you add 3? How does this parabola will look like compared to x squared? Well, you are going to have a horizontal shift and vertical shift. So it's going to look like you are going to move to the right twice and go up 3. And then it's going to move up. So when we talk about transformation of polynomials, we are going to use same concept. So we have f of x equals x cubed, g of x equals quantity x plus 5 cubed. So compared to f of x, how does g of x will look like? It looks like you are going to have a horizontal shift. So f of x cubed will look something like this. Something like that. What about quantity x plus 5 cubed? Well, you're going to move 5 to the left. And then it will look like x cubed. It's just that now you shift 5 to the left. Of course, if you use Desmos or graphing calculator, the graph look much better, but you get the idea. Now, what if it's quantity x plus 5 to the third minus 2? How does this function will look like compared to this? Now you have a horizontal shift and vertical shift. So compared to x cubed, this one will shift to the left 5 and then go down 2. So let's use Desmos to look at the better graph. So we have y equals x cubed. And then we got y equals quantity x plus 5 cubed minus 2. So what happened? Notice, this point right here, 0, 0, went 5 to the left and went down twice. So you end up getting negative 5, negative 2. So again, the idea of transforming the polynomial is very similar to transforming quadratic equations.